So here it is, right? So it's this little padded kind of storage container, right? And it's as big as my phone. So you unzip it and look at all the stuff it gives you. So I use this all the time. Look at all that. And I love that it's pink. It's like a pinky peach. And the quality's great. I use the clippers a lot. And it has pretty much anything that you need for your nails. So all in one. Because you know how you, like for me, the nail clippers, like they're like, you're like, where are they? They're somewhere. They're in the, that is the cabinet. They're over here. Oh, I left it. So this is great. It kind of forces me to put my stuff back. So yeah, so yeah, I think it's great. I've had this for maybe like 6 months, and I just haven't shared it on here. Like I do that sometimes where I have I'm using something so much, and I'm like, I should really share this because it's like it's a good stuff. So you have, let me go through all the pieces. So you have the clippers that I mentioned, right? So you have these. You can see like they've been used. Like, so you have the clippers. And I'll see what you guys are saying in the chat. And then you have the little scissors. And I love that they have this little elastic storage, like you can put them in there. Oh, and you have tweezers. That's another one that you're like, where are my tweezers? I don't know. And then here is a large nail clipper. I love the color. And it comes in different colors. And then all of these things for the cuticles, the nail file. Oh, that's right. Okay, and then there's the small, like to kind of clean the nails too, push the cuticles back, all of those things. So definitely want to check out